all ages, dogs and cats too. A bunch of you guys say your dogs and cats watch your videos with me. That makes my heart so happy. So, hi puppies, hi kitties. Anyways, to the video. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna go ahead and do something very, very flowery. So today, with all the new Kardashian babies in the world lately, I thought it would be fun to go ahead and copy some of their infamous flower arrangements that they've been getting for the birth of their babies, because they're hella expensive and pretty easy to make if you do it yourself. So today I'm gonna show you how to do just that. So we're gonna head downtown, pick up some materials, and come back and see what kind of crafty goodies I can come up with. So without further ado, there we go. DIY celebrity flower arrangements. Infamous broke bitch style, of course. Alrighty, so before we get going, here's our outfit of the day, which actually looks like it doesn't match at all in this mirror. I don't know why it looks like that. Does it look like that in real life? I do not know why it looks like it doesn't match at all in this mirror, but I promise you it matches in real life. Just must be the weird lighting. So got a wrinkly little hoodie off Amazon, so cute. Some matching green leggings from Forever 21. I have cool shoes and cool socks on, but other than that, it's really not the most exciting outfit in the world, but you know, definitely not my most exciting outfit ever, but you know, let's pick out flowers downtown. It's fine, so here we go. Onward. Oh, onward ho. Alrighty, so we're hitting up one of my favorite places ever, Moscatel's, to get, well, I don't know exactly, but we'll see. This place is so cool. They have literally everything, but what we're going to want to get is, can you see them back there? Ta-da! Styrofoam letters. So you can see they just have, like, you know, giant styrofoam letters. So we're gonna buy these to say, well, if I don't have a baby, I have literally no idea what we're gonna make them say, but we'll come up with something. Look guys, we met some friends! They watch my videos, so anything you wanna say? Oh my god, okay. Back to crafting, but woohoo! All right, here we go. On to the next stop. Thanks. Alrighty, so now we gotta get some flowers, so we're gonna pop into one of my favorite flower stores, this place. Right, I don't really think I want this kind. I'm pretty sure I want to do pink roses, just like Kylie had, so let's see. These are a little too big. They're gonna cover the whole letter and not look so cool, but oh ho ho ho. Perfect. All right, even though I don't really need any crystals, we're gonna surprise Benjamin really quick. Benjamin! Okay, we're both in our sunglasses today. Benjamin, I actually am not doing anything that revolves crystals today, which is so sad, but can we get some glue? Do you want to say anything?
I'm gonna give you some glue.
Okay, perfecto.
Fantastic.
Alrighty, now we really got everything. Off we go. Little pumpkin, oh my goodness, a little sweet pie angel. Hello, I'm in love with you. Oh, he's so little. Hi. Goodbye. Alrighty, so we just got back, and for once it actually is the same day that I went shopping. I'm still wearing the bottom half of the outfit, you can see, but I decided I felt like wearing gray instead. So we're gonna wear gray for the ingredients part of this video, so here we go. What you need to create this project. Alrighty, so here is our assortment of goodies. You can see we've got the styrofoam letters. I decided to make them say XOXO because that's what I say in my outros of my videos, and it just made more sense than making something that said Stormy. So we got those. We also got a long styrofoam block. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that in a second. Wouldn't be my DIY without some trusty E6000 glues. We got quite a bunch of them. And of course, ooh, Flower Nation. I just got a bunch of them because they were cheap and I liked them. And I kind of just wanted to have some left over. So we're gonna go ahead and get to decorating. Okay, here you can see Kylie's little stormy flower arrangement, which is just so cute. Oh, I'm so excited to do this. So we're gonna go ahead and make our own. Well, kind of like a DIY I already did. If you remember my DIY flower wall where I stuck the giant roses into a giant piece of styrofoam to make a full-on wall, basically today we're just gonna go ahead and do the mini version. So first things first, we're gonna take out the little flowers. You can see they're kind of attached to little wires, so we're gonna go ahead, trim off the edges with some scissors. Boop, da boop, perfecto. So I thought it'd be a good idea, instead of individually putting them in one by one like I did the flower wall, we're just gonna go ahead, since they come in little packs already, and take the E6000 glue and just glue them on. Bada bing, bada boom, throw on the glue, and pat it right onto the styrofoam letter. Then we're gonna go ahead and just do the whole thing same way until it's completely covered in roses. Which what you would have thought worked perfectly until I realized apparently E6000 glue melts styrofoam. Like you can see it's literally melting right through it. Oops, who knew? Apparently there's special glue you can buy for styrofoam, but since I don't have any and I need to finish this video tonight, I realized I was going to have to individually put them in one by one. Oh my God. So back to square one, we're gonna go ahead and take all the flowers and individually trim them, leaving just a little bit of wire so we can pop them right on into the styrofoam, and then one by one, just go ahead and poke them right in. It's not hard, it just takes literally forever. I felt like I was doing this all day long and all night long. As you can see, yep, literally, look at that, it's night. So now that we finished one, we're gonna go ahead and do the O's, which I actually changed my mind, and I think it'd be more fun to have heart-shaped O's. So we're gonna go ahead and use the styrofoam hearts. So just take a little blade cutter, eyeball it, because, you know, whatever, and cut out a little heart so it has a little opening so it looks kind of like an O. Great. And then, of course, back to square one by one, we're going to go ahead and poke in all the little roses. One by one until you go crazy. To make it look cleaner, make sure you go ahead and line the inside too, and of course the outside, just so it gives it that more finished look. By the way, you're gonna make a giant mess when you're doing this. Like a giant mess. At least the mess is aesthetically pleasing this time, and somewhat contained. It's only over here, which is still a big mess, but it's fine. And of course, just keep going until they're done. Oh, they look so beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do the base. So basically what we're gonna do is the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and empty out the little white roses container, and you can see they're the same exact thing. So it's like 2 in the morning. I absolutely cannot be bothered to stick them in one by one. So we melt the styrofoam, it's okay. We're just gonna put them on here anyway. So E6000 glue and glue them on. I guess this is a different kind of styrofoam, so it didn't melt as much. So shout out to this styrofoam. Thanks for smiling on this project, God. Okay, so you can see we're just gonna go ahead, glue those on, do the top 2 until voila, the base is completed. We're gonna go ahead and let those dry overnight because, like I said, it is nighttime and I am pooped tired. So we're gonna go to bed. But we're still waking up bright and early because I like to watch the sunrise. It's almost like the world is saying hello to you. It's so cute. So back to the project. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just mount the letters onto the base. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but for now, since my letters are so small and light, this works just fine. We're gonna go ahead and take these little safety pin things and we're just gonna go ahead and stick them through the bottom so half of them is sticking out. And that way we can just go ahead and stick the needles right on into the base so they stand up straight. I'm gonna leave mine up against the wall anyway, so it really doesn't matter, but there we go. Alrighty. Are you guys ready to see the finished product? Da-da-da-da-da! Ta-da! Oh my God, it looks so good. You can see the beautiful pink roses on the white base. Ah, even better than Kylie's in my opinion. Add some more roses to the side if you want. I actually made these too. I've had them forever. Once all I did was buy a styrofoam ball, cut it in half, and then go ahead and pin little eternity roses, just like the same ones I used in my bathroom video, and went ahead and stuck them right into the styrofoam ball until they created like a little dome thing. Fabulous. So there you have it, my completed DIY celebrity flower arrangement. This almost looks like it says Coco. Should I send this to Khloe Kardashian? Probably not, but anyways, there we go. Fabulous. Mission frickin' accomplished. Stormy who? No, I'm kidding. Okay. So there you have it, you guys. That was me making my little floral arrangement thingamajigger bobber. I actually don't really know what you would call this, but yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I loved making it for you. Being creative is just so much fun. So thank you guys so much for caring and watching my videos and for enjoying all the little things that I dream up in my head and watching them. It truly means so much to me. So thank you so much. And on that note, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more fun nonsense like this. Of course, tweet me, Instagram, DM me some pictures of anything you ever make that is something inspired by a DIY that I did. And that's it. I didn't sleep that much last night, so I'm gonna go take a nap. But I'm kidding, I actually don't take naps. I'm probably gonna like go get ice cream or something. But I love you guys. Kisses till next time, my sweet, beautiful, fabulous, crafty, florally, baby angels. XO. So, have you guys heard Yodel Boy's new song? Who knew that would pop off so hard?